Hey guys, welcome to the second part of Implicit Differentiation Day 1. So in the last video we only did the first sheet. Now we're going to go ahead and do the next sheet. Letter A. We're going to use implicit differentiation to find the derivative for letter A. And it says here we want to find it in terms of x and y. So let's go ahead and do this. So letter A, if I take the derivative of x squared with respect to x, that is simply just 2x plus x times y. This is a product rule. It's UV. Why is it a product rule? Well, what's happening between the x and the y? They're being multiplied, so it's product rule. So let's go ahead and list what we have. U is x, v is y. What is u prime? U prime is 1. What is v prime? Well, v prime is y prime. So you guys know that the derivative of u times v is u v prime plus v u prime. Okay, so let's go ahead and use that rule. So it's going to be u times v prime plus v times u prime, and then the derivative of negative y squared is minus 2y times y prime, which is equal to 3. Okay, so let's rewrite this. 2x plus x times y prime plus y minus 2y times y prime is equal to 3. Now what I needed to do is I need to use algebra, rearrange and solve. So let's rearrange first. Take away 2x because there's no y prime associated with it, and take away y for the same reason as well. Minus 2x minus y, and we get, and make sure you write small in your notes. I know it's kind of late. Okay, so let me highlight these terms again, because sometimes we can get so lost in our computations. So now that I have y primes on one side and non-y primes on the other side, I can factor out the y primes, which gives me y prime x minus 2y, 3 minus 2x minus y. Now I can divide both sides by, let me do this in a smaller, finer pen, x minus 2y, so I know that's kind of too small, and I'm going to do it over here also, x minus 2y, so that my final answer for this problem is y prime is equal to 3 minus 2x minus y all over x minus 2y, and this is my derivative. Letter B is a little bit more easier. Well, no, I'm lying. I'm sorry. Here's letter B. If I want to take the derivative with respect to x, then, well, we all know what the derivative of tangent x is. Secant squared x equals the derivative of 3x is 3. The derivative of x times sine, another chain rule, I'm sorry, product rule. Oh, I'm off. Okay. U is x, v is sine x. Whoa, no, not sine x, sine y. U prime is 1, v prime, well, let's do the chain rule. This is a chocolate, this is a plain M&M, so it's going to be sine. The derivative of sine is cosine y, and then the derivative of the angle, what's the derivative of y? Well, the derivative of y is y prime. So that one has a curveball in there. So let me do this in red. This is a product rule, u times the derivative of v plus v times the derivative of u. I'll finish off part B and I'll finish off the rest of the worksheet in the next lesson. So solving for y prime. Luckily we only have one term that's y prime and the rest are not. So that means I can subtract minus 3. All this is together, so I can't subtract. But I can subtract sine y because sine y times 1 is just sine y. So it's minus 3 minus sine y. You guys like that cross down the middle, so here it is. Secant squared x minus 3 minus sine y is equal to x cosine y times y prime. Divide both sides by x cosine y, and I have my derivative. And this is my dy dx, all of this. Okay, so in the next video I'll go ahead and do part C, and how many problems we have left, and the last one. So that should be taken care of this lesson. So this lesson will have 3 parts, 4 parts including the introduction. I know I'm breaking down the lessons pretty long, but if you look at all the videos, if you take the right notes, if you understand the steps that's going on, you'll have no problems in taking care of one of these in the AP exam. So I'll see you in the next video.